Okay, today I have a Yale 6-pin challenge lock. Lock does work. Very smooth. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, let's put it in the vise and open it up. But before we do, I will try to explain something about my picks. I use a mixture of picks from Southord and Gasso and Sparrows and my own picks. Along the back you see I have some picks lined up there. If I need one, I can get them. Get the pick that I need. So those are all Sparrow, Southord, and my own picks, and some Gasso. And on this Yale lock, we're going to try to use one of my picks on it. So, but I do have, and I also do have the picks like this also. Okay, this is a Yale 6-pin. So let's see what we can do with it. Let's use the bottom of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. See if we can get to the back. Okay, let's put light tension. Okay, we got a little bit on 6, 5. There's 3, I believe. 1. Let's go to the back again. There's a little bit on 5 again. 4. We can got a little bit of false set out of this to turn on the plug, so let's go to the back again. And take it slow and easy on these locks. Don't rush them. Okay, there's some more on 3. A little bit more on 6, I believe. Okay, let's go to the back again. Didn't get anything on that pass. Okay, let's lighten up on tension just a little bit. And I think we lightened up too much. So let's go to the back of the lock. See if I can reset some of these pins. Right quick. Okay, that was pin 5. Let's see if we can get under 6 now. Check it out. Okay, I believe 6 is set. I believe 5 is set. Give us a little bit more of a false set then. Okay, we're still getting some feedback on, let's see, 6, 5, I believe it's open 4. And we're getting feedback on 4. Okay, there he is, open on 4. Alright, let's open this lock up. Look at the pins. With myself, the picks that I use on certain locks makes a big difference in my picking. I don't use really conventional type picks all the time. Like the one I used on this lock is slightly tapered a little bit on the end. I mean, it's just shallow pick, and that type of pick works good for me on certain locks. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of this lock, and maybe not. Alright, let's just see if we can set it up and take it out of the lock itself. Get it turned just right. Okay, let's try it this way. Okay, there's pin number 5. We'll look at it real close in a moment. Okay, that come out just like that. That looks like a serrated pin. Another type of serrated or spool type. Okay, got those out. Now let's check our plug. Okay, all the pins are in the plug and working. Get these dumped out and then we'll look at them real close. Okay, the plug is threaded in every chamber. There's no modifications made to the Bible. So now let's look at the pins. Okay, on pin 1 and 2, the bottom key pins are serrated. This is a kind of like a double spool. It'll come out like this. This is another serrated pin, pretty heavily serrated. Key pins are serrated. This one has a fairly wide, deep, outer round serration on it. This one is a little bit small at the top. This is another serrated pin, another serrated pin. Okay, on 5 and 6, serrated key pins on the bottom. This is a serrated upper pin, and this is just a standard upper pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Yale Challenge lock today. I appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.